Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Indore location. It is from Madhya Pradesh. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there are many openings available from Kotak Mahindra Bank. So let's discuss each and every job opening mentioned here. Firstly, for there is a job vacancy for team member position, WBGHO or IPO or CIP Central Service Support. It is from Kotak Mahindra. It is for Indore location. So we'll see what are the requirements and about the job description mentioned here. You need to handle service related requests and documentation requirements of customers across wholesale banking businesses and liaising with clients relationship team, legal, credit, technical team, CAD operations etc. for timely execution of deliverables and also smooth resolution of issues, preparing assurance and verification of sanction letter, facility and security documents, coordination with the customers for timely and seamless execution of documents, ensuring compliance of post-disbursement formalities such as pending documents, convenient fulfillment, etc. So this is about the job description, and if you want to know further details about this job vacancy, you can check in the official website link provided here. The job vacancy for Assistant Acquisition Manager position from Kotak Mahindra Bank. Coming to job role, acquisition manager role is responsible to acquire new corporates relationships and also manage existing corporate relationships and open salary accounts of their employees along with the Excel. B2B experience is required, it will be added advantage. Liaising within corporates to create business avenues to promote the bank products, ensuring the profitability of the portfolio that is being managed by ensuring funding is happening in the accounts. Increase funding by moving other bank funds of customers by educating them the advantages of the salary account. Promote Excel products of the bank through empaneled accounts. Ability to communicate well and make presentation to the corporates. Acquiring corporate and sourcing salary account and also taking care of salary credit for acquired accounts. So this is about the job description, and you please go through the information provided here, and if you want know more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can check in the official website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for branch operations manager. So coming to job requirements, thorough overall understanding of banking is required, and you should have done graduation or MBA, and also 6 to 8 years of experience is required for graduates, and for MBA candidates 4 to 6 years of experience is required and should possess customer orientation and team leader qualities. So these are the skills and qualification details. Next, coming to job description, lead the service team ensuring regulatory and procedural compliance, to coordinate the audit of the branch, ensuring service excellence to enhance portfolio, control retention and better cross-sell, authorize and check RO or SO entries, check in products, check vouchers to clear transactions of 10 lakhs and above, vault or key custodian. So these are the job responsibilities. You please go through with the information provided here, and for further details you can check in the official website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for regional marketing manager, HO and support. So here are creative development and also administrative function details are provided. Let's discuss about this. Firstly, for creative development, must work with agencies or designer to develop promotional materials and assist internal departments to address their creative requirements. Collateral management address gifting or merchandising requirements of various departments, And coming to administrative function, you need to manage operational and administrative functions to ensure specific projects are delivered efficiently, manage correspondence and vendor management, keep inventory of backdrops and other display materials. So this is about the administrative function, and for more detailed information you can check in the official website link provided here. There is a job opening for location collections manager, customer durables, recovery area. So coming to job requirements for this position, you should have done graduation, and also minimum 6 to 8 years of experience is required in collections, and you should be confident and ability to handle a team of collections, and can go to the field when required and also give training to his or her team when needed. So these are the job requirements. Let's get into the job description. Monitoring and maintaining collection for the city, managing deposition, possession, and coordinate with the collection agency, deposition agent, or and sales of asset. Legal formalities, team management is required, and drive the team of collection managers and off-roll staff. This is about the job description. You please go through it once, and for further details you can check in the official website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for credit manager position for agri film projects. So here are some job requirements and also personality traits are mentioned. Firstly, for job requirements, chartered accountant with experience of more than 1 year are required, and good analytical skills. Non-chartered accountant with relevant experience of credit function of at least 2 to 3 years of experience is required. So if you clearly see here, at least 2 to 3 years of experience is required for non-chartered accountant. Next, coming to personality traits, we should be having strong financial analysis skills, analytical skills, and also strong communication skills in both written and oral. So these are the personality traits, and for further details about this job opening, you can check in the official website link provided here. There is a job opening for service relationship associate position. Coming to job requirements, excellent written and oral communication skills are required. Developing and maintaining banking relationships with a select group of high net worth customers. Excellent communication skills with customer service orientation, courteous and polite, and good knowledge of Microsoft Excel, understanding of banking norms and processes. So these are the job requirements. Next, you please go through with the job description provided here, and for more detailed information you can check in the official website link provided here. There is a job opening for service officer position for branch banking, and for this position you should have handled SO profile, and you should have done MBA or graduation for this position. And coming to job description, redress customer needs pertaining to cash, DDs, check deposits, general information, speed and accuracy of transaction, exploitation of other business opportunities sales, providing quality of experience that will ensure retention and positive word of mouth. So this is about the job description. You please go through with the information provided here, and for more detailed information you can check in the official website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for branch operations manager, branch banking. For this job vacancy, you should have done MBA or graduation, and also minimum 3 years of experience is required, and thorough overall understanding of banking, customer service orientation, and ability to manage and motivate front office staff. So you please check with the responsibilities provided above. So here, and for further details you can check in the official website link provided here. Next one for assistant acquisition manager position. So for this position, job requirement will be freshers or graduate with appropriate 1 year of experience is required in liability sales preferred, and hardcore sales mentality, primary motivation from achievement of targets, and a hunter by orientation, and should be well groomed and presentable with ambassadorship qualities. So these are the job requirements. You please go through with the information, and also they have mentioned here the job summary, and here are some of the responsibilities are provided. You please go through with the information, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.